I love to see how everything is built from concrete, steel fixing, excavation, everything. This is what I love. I love to be there, I love to be involved, I love to be dirty and messy. Yeah, I love construction site. I'm a site engineer and I'm responsible for setting out for the top-down area in my construction site. And I just need to make sure, the whole structure is done as it has to be. I went first time in Constructionarium when I was first year student at UEL, and I did love it from the first day I was there. A memorable moment was when I could wear an overall and jump into the concrete and pour concrete. That was the best thing ever. I just enjoyed being there, using the poker, while we were pouring the concrete. I just love it. You spend actually 5 concentrated days on a site, and you actually will have an idea how it will be being every day of your life on site. I think it's a really great experience for a student to understand which way you want to take your career, if taking career more in office or more on site. I think engineers and architects, especially the students, they don't have enough practical experience. It is a problem because they are limited when they design. They don't see the difficulty that we have on construction site when we have to actually to build what they design. And then we have to call the designer, bring him on site and show, look, what you designed is really great, but does actually not work. So we have to find a compromise in between the practical side and the theoretical side. You have limits and difficulties. So that's why it is important that a designer has to have practical experience. I hope in the future to see more women in construction site. I would encourage women to come on construction site and show that we are capable to be there and do our job.